Stage is getting ready for prize distribution. Beautiful trophies kept over there. The winners will be honored with the trophies and cash prize. So very interesting matches underway. Right, Team Arabco and Miraz in the previous match. They defeated SPJB with a huge margin. But in this match, they are struggling against Arabco because Arabco got some quality players. We've seen Rafael either pass the ball to each other and they were not trying to maximum position in the ball and able to get 6%. Look at that! It turns.
पाँच मिनट बाद हमारा गेम स्टार्ट होने वाला है।